How to use Format Painter in Microsoft Office apps. Format Painter allows to apply the same formatting, such as color, font style and size, or border style, to multiple pieces of text or graphics. With Format Painter, you can copy all the formatting from one object and apply it to another one. Select the text or graphic that has the formatting that you want to copy. On the Home tab, select Format Painter by clicking on the paintbrush icon. The cursor changes to a paintbrush icon. Use the brush to paint over a selection of text or graphics to apply the formatting. This only works once. To change the format of multiple selections in your document, you must first double-click Format Painter icon. To stop formatting, press Escape or click on the Format Painter icon again. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if this guide helped you. Subscribe for more similar videos.